Hi, today we're gonna make Instant Pot Tenderloin with gravy. I'm Bjorn from All Spiced Out, and welcome back to our channel. We're all about tasty food made easy. Start by making the marinade for the tenderloin. In a small sized mixing bowl, add 2 tablespoons honey, half a tablespoon soy sauce, half a tablespoon apple cider vinegar, and half a tablespoon olive oil. Mix the ingredients well, and then add the dry spices. That's 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, half a teaspoon pepper, and 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning, and mix everything really well. This is our easy pork seasoning blend. Then take 1.5 to 2 pounds of tenderloin, place them on a cutting board and trim off the excess fat. Then pat it dry with a paper towel and cut into 2 pieces lengthwise. Then put the tenderloins in a bowl and add the marinade. Make sure you coat the tenderloin really well with the marinade. Cover the bowl and let sit for at least 15 minutes, ideally for an hour or more, while refrigerated. When you're done marinating the meat, press saute on the Instant Pot. When the display reads hot, add the tenderloin pieces along with all the marinade, then brown the meat for about a minute or 2 per side. What is your favorite Instant Pot dish? Let us know in the comments. Please hype this video. Then remove the meat from the Instant Pot and pour in 3/4 cup of chicken broth. Use a wooden spoon or a spatula to deglaze the pot. Then put back the meat, secure the lid and close the vent. Pressure cook for 3 minutes and let naturally release. While the Instant Pot is cooking, prepare the gravy. Pour 1/4 cup of chicken broth into a mixing bowl and add 2 tablespoons of rice flour. Mix really well. When the pressure is released, it takes about 10 minutes and it's safe to do so. Remove the lid. Place the meat on a serving plate. Make sure the meat has reached 145 degrees Fahrenheit or the thickest point using a digital meat thermometer. Now add in the prepared rice flour and chicken broth mix. Mix really well and bring up to boil. Let simmer for a few minutes until the gravy has reached your desired thickness. Share this video with people you know would love this recipe. This recipe goes really well with rice pilaf and Instant Pot mashed potatoes. You can also use the meat on pita pizzas, and you can serve with a side of creamy corn. And there you have it, an easy Instant Pot pork tenderloin. I'm Bjorn from All Spiced Out, and thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe.